We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Greek sandwich, Greek dish. How do you say it? In Greek it is said as gyros, gyros. The G is not pronounced like a G, but rather Y, and then you do want to roll the R quite thoroughly, quite strongly. Ros, gyros, gyros. Pretty straightforward. Once you know, you could say in English gyros, sandwiches, or simply gyros, gyros. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more delicious food names whose pronunciations aren't obvious at all. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.